Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I recently purchased two of the newly released Lina Nail Art stamping plates from the UK stockist Nail Artisan. Each stamping plate will have its own video, so in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Lina Nail Art stamping plate Twirls and Swirls 03. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips. For the first swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a neon pink stamping polish. Now in the first picture you would have seen two other items which I purchased which I didn't speak about. They will have their own video coming very soon. But how gorgeous is this swatch though? Stunning. I love the white and pink colour combo. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a copper red brown stamping polish. When this stamping polish goes over the yellow you can really see the red coming through. It is so pretty, and especially with this image it's a great design to use. Now because my tips are slightly too big for this image, I will clean up the bottom of it. It would annoy me if I didn't, but gorgeous design though. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. When I first saw this image I didn't think I would get on with it because it's slightly a negative design. However, it swatches amazingly well and it's full on swirly design which I just love. It's beautiful. So before I move on to the next swatch, I'm pointing out some of the small swirly images that are just singles, which you would expect on a Swirls and Twirls plate. However, there are also opposites as well, like from Lina's Opposites Attract plate. So this is very exciting. So let's take a couple of swatches. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark teal green stamping polish. I'm going to swatch both opposite images on one nail tip, but you can put them on a single nail as well. I will remove the excess from the stamper before stamping down, but these two images are stunning. I'll definitely be using them in a mani. The top didn't transfer well, I was taking too long to remove the excess, but it's still gorgeous though. For the next swatch I'll be using a light pink coloured nail tip along with a purple coloured stamping polish. With an image like this you could place it at the cuticle area coming down the nail like I'm going to do, or you could turn it around and go from the free edge to the cuticle area. I personally love designs like this one and it's stunning, another that I'll definitely be using in the future. For the next swatch I'll be using a berry red coloured nail tip along with a molten silver stamping polish. I've never used this colour combo before so I wasn't sure it was going to work well or not. However, I quite like it. Just wish I could remember what polish it was. And with this design it really does fill up the nail tip well. It would make a great accent nail. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches, a mani that I've created from Lina Nail Art stamping plate Twirls and Swirls 03. Lina Nail Art Twirls and Swirls 03 stamping plate is amazing. There is 15 large designs at the top of the plate and they are a mix of normal images and negative images. At the bottom there is 21 small single designs along with 9 opposite sets. There is just so much to Twirls and Swirls 03. With the opposite images I've added each set to the same base colour and I've used the same stamping polish just so that they are easier to see. In the description box below you'll find links to Lina Nail Art's Twirls and Swirls 01 and 02 which I've swatched and reviewed, along with the Lina Nail Art Opposites Attract stamping plate swatch review as well. They are 3 plates definitely worth to check out. Twirls and Swirls is one of my favourite ranges from Lina Nail Art, along with their 4 Seasons range and the Make Your Mark range. With Twirls and Swirls 03 there is just so many possibilities, it's endless the amount of different manis you can make. Swirly manis are possibly my most favourite manis to create, and with a stamping plate like Twirls and Swirls range it is so easy to create an amazing mani. I love all of the swatches, even the negative images, of which there is 8 of them, have swatched really well. They can be hit or miss with me, but I love them all. Swirly images are also super popular all year round, and they can make some stunning manis and work really well with any colour combo. I've used the same stamper as I did in the video, along with my favourite brand of stamping polish, which you would have also seen in the video section. They work amazingly well with the Lina Nail Art stamping plates. With the mani I've created using the opposite images along with the large images. The reason I make manis is so I can show what is possible from the stamping plate, and I love doing this. However, I will be returning for more manis, and I want to create one using all 3 of the Twirls and Swirls stamping plates. This is something I've done using the 4 Seasons range and the Make Your Mark range. It's where I got my love of doing this from. I have a large playlist with all the Lina Nail Art stamping plates I have in my collection. I don't have them all, but Lina stamping plates are a really huge favourite for me to use. They did also release another 2 along with the 2 I purchased. Lina released some stunning stamping plates, and I will be bringing the other plate that I purchased to my channel very soon as well. It's another popular style for creating some beautiful manis. Another thing I love about Lina Nail Art stamping plates is they cram so many images on one plate, and there is still plenty of space between the images. There is 54 individual designs on Twirls and Swirls 03, which is just amazing. You really do get value for money. So for the mani I went with my favourite colour, bright purple gel polish, and I've stamped in a dark purple stamping polish. I've used one of the large images on 3 of the nails, but I've turned the stamper around in different positions, so each of the 3 nails are slightly different. With the ring finger and index, I've used one of the opposite sets, which works really well with the large image. You could even add some crystals to the ring finger and index finger to add a bit of bling, but I love this mani. It's very me, it's so beautiful. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art's Twirls and Swirls 03 stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.